Hi, I'm Kylie, and this is my mom, and you're watching Cooking with Kylie. Today we're going to be making
a 4th of July fruit platter.
The ingredients for your fruit dip is
Cream cheese spread, marshmallow cream, and vanilla.
the ingredients for your fruit platter is
Cut strawberries, cut cheese, raspberry, meringue pieces, and blueberries. Now we're going to assemble.
And now we're going to try the fruit powder. I hope that this episode of Cooking with Kylie.
Don't forget to
Like, subscribe, and the bell button so you can know if I every time I post a new video. And I hope you try this at home. Bye.